that you can bring people to your website and landing page, right? AdsManager is where you can drive traffic to your landing page or website. Like if you're running LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or Google Ads, you can connect all of them in just a few clicks. And once connected, you will see all your campaigns, all your ad sets, your performance metrics, everything. And then you can monitor your ad spend, you can track conversions, even see which leads come from which campaign without even leaving your CRM. So no more bouncing between multiple tabs, right? Another way you can drive traffic to your website or to whatever you're selling is a tool called prospecting. Imagine you finding, qualifying, and reaching your ideal client, all without leaving this dashboard. What you would do is when you click generate prospect, it's going to give you a beautiful PDF document that has your company details, everything all in it. And it's going to show what is lacking in that business. And this is very good for those who are into web design and social media, SEO, AI, sales, and all of that. It will generate a beautiful template that you can easily email to your contact. It's full-scale prospecting that runs on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. You use these tools to generate a report. Your system sends it out to them. They respond, oh, I need help. And then your system sells to them, collect payments, and follow up and deliver the service to them automatically without you doing anything.